What is up, Legendary family? It's about Legendary Joe. Today, back in another video. You guys know we're back at the same spot, the go-to spot, with the 2019 Dodge Charger. Today, I'll be giving you guys a 1-year review with this car. I've had it for about a year now, so I will be telling you guys how this car been driving for me in about a year. So I've probably driven about at least 20,000 miles or so in there. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on the video, and stay tuned so you guys can get the information about this car. And also, you're gonna get help if you are looking to purchase a Dodge Charger that you don't really know much about. I will be giving you guys information that you guys are looking for and needed for the vehicle. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. We're gonna go ahead and start with all the problems that I've had with this car and what I've actually done to fix the problem and whatnot. So for the very first problem that I've had with the car would have to be my tires. Like last year, I had gotten some new tires, maybe in March. Like, their tires didn't even last me a full year. And like the tread and like the inside of the tires was running off. But like, I didn't really know what was going on because I don't do burnouts. I don't do donuts. I don't do like anything that's going to make my tires lose tread so fast. So that's a problem that I did have with the Dodge Charger RTs. My tires, like in the inside of the tires, I was losing tread for no reason. I still don't know why that happens or whatnot, but that is one thing that I had problems with, was the tires losing tread, because I don't really know, for some odd reason it was losing tread. Because I had asked if my cord was like lowered, but I'm pretty sure this is how Dodge Charger RTs come in. Let me show you guys from the back. But I don't really know if it's something that happens to a lot of Dodge Charger RT, is because, like, looking from the back, like, I think the tires might be a little bit big, but I also don't think that should be a problem on why the tires are losing so much tread, which that's for another day for me to talk about. The second thing is the person who had the car before me might have lowered the car. So whenever I first gotten it, my alignment was completely awful. I'm not gonna lie. Like, whenever I was driving on the road, my car wasn't even staying straight. So the person who had the car before me had messed up the alignment real bad. So I had some problems with that, and I had to get it fixed. So the alignment problem was, I had like experienced it, but I didn't really know it was alignment until I had gotten it checked, and I was basically told that my alignment is basically jacked up and I need to get it fixed. So I had went ahead and gotten my alignment fixed because I needed it to get fixed. So the alignment was a big problem that I had with the car. Also, as you guys know, it's not problems, but it's just things that you guys have to like deal with that might be bad to you guys. I would have to say is the gas and like how much you're driving the car. If you're driving the car like every single day, you are basically racing a lot of people on the streets, especially all the Hondas, your gas mileage is going to be bad. and you're going to hate it just because that you're basically going to be living at the gas station. And you know, if you live in a gas station, you're spending some bread. So make sure that you guys know what the gas is for the car before you get it. But outside of that, that's the only bad thing I can really say about the car. But outside of everything, I really like the car. Also, I gotta show you guys this. That's another thing that I didn't like. Like, my thing started peeling. I don't know if this happens to every Dodge Charger or whatever, but as you guys can see on the window, like, it's basically peeling. So I don't really know what's going on with that and why it's peeling. But yeah, that's another problem I've had with the car and whatnot. So yeah, those 3 things, or there might be 4 things, is the only problem I've had with the car. So yeah, let's go ahead and talk about the good things about the car. First, before we even start, I gotta give you guys a little startup, because you guys know you can't get a V8 without it being loud. As you guys can hear it, this thing do sounds good. I can't even lie to you. I really like the car and what it sounds like and everything that I've done to it, from like the whole body to the interior. So I really like what the car sounds like. And just overall, it's really good. So having this car, it does have a lot of maintenance that you have to do to it, but that's part of it. Like, you can't get a car like this and not accept to have to do a good amount of maintenance on it just to keep it good and be able to run smoothly. So maintenance it's something that you have to deal with, which is a good thing. So if you keeping your car well managed, then you're going to be good, and the car is going to last you a long time. So yeah, that's good. I ain't gonna lie, I really enjoy it. But outside of everything, I really like this car because it gets a lot of people's attention. I ain't gonna lie, it gets a lot of attention, but that's not the reason why I got the car. I got the car because I've always wanted to started a YouTube channel, and like, I finally just decided I'm gonna go ahead and do it, just because that later down the road I would like to see where I've come from like creating videos and basically like chapters in my life. So, and now this car gives me opportunity to actually start the YouTube channel and talk to you guys about the car and me daily driving it. So this car is the reason why I'm actually super interested on starting and creating YouTube videos. So that's another reason why I had gotten the car, was because that I've seen a lot of people posting YouTube videos and I've always wanted to do it. So yeah, that's another story for me to tell you guys another day. But overall, I really like this thing. Like, a lot of people have asked me, what is it? Is it a Scat? Is it blah, blah, blah? I'm like, it's not anything crazy. This is just a 5.7 RT. Like, it don't have crazy amount of power, but I really like the car, and it does the job for me, get me point A to point B. So that's all I really needed. And I also wanted a car that had 4 doors, because my very first car was a Cadillac and it had 4 doors. So I had to stay with my 4-door sedan. I didn't really want a Challenger, just because that I'm not a big fan of 2 doors, And plus, the whole back seat of the car it's super small. And I don't think I would honestly fit that just because I have long legs. So I don't know how tall you got to be to fit in the Challenger, like the back seat, but I wasn't trying to experience that if I had let one of my friends drive the car also. And I also have a big family, so it gives me a chance to have people in the car and also have back seats that I can just put them in if we are trying to go somewhere and whatnot. So yeah, the 4-door is really good. It does a lot of justice for the whole car. But I really appreciate everybody who's been tuned in to this channel. Let's keep going up. As you guys know, this content is not going to stop anytime soon. I'm super grateful for everybody who's been subscribing to the channel and staying tuned and watching all my videos. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe on the video. And I will catch you guys in the next one.